Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Javier.
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.4% in the last session. The CCI has transitioned into overbought territory. The euro-dollar pair has fallen 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic is warming up and is now giving a neutral signal. The Aussie dollar pair has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The MACD has shifted into the neutral zone. The price of crude oil has gained 2.7% in the last session. The RSI has transitioned into neutral territory.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Worries about lofty U.S. bond yields hit global shares as investors waited to see if Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell would address concerns about a rapid rise in long-term borrowing costs. The dollar held gains against a basket of its peers as a more orderly rise in U.S. Treasury yields lent support before a speech by Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell that may determine the trend for global markets. Oil prices rose more than $1 per barrel after the Saudi energy minister urged caution and vigilance at the beginning of a meeting of OPEC ministers and their allies about the future of supply cuts.
Thank you, Javier. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT, the U.S. unemployment rate at 13:30 GMT, Italy's retail sales at 900 GMT. Germany's factory orders will be released at 700 GMT, Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 2030 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.